Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you might be checking out Designhill and you're wondering, can you become a designer and make money from this website, and how much money can you actually make? Okay, so let's talk a little bit about first the setup of Designhill and whether this is something that you might want to use as a designer to make extra money on the side. Right now, there are a lot of different ways to make money these days as a designer, and Designhill is a pretty cool website. All right, so they're basically a creative marketplace. And as a user, so if I was a customer, I could come onto Designhill and I could basically choose different things to get designed. So whether it's a logo, whether it's a t-shirt, whether it's something for my bag, whether it's for a mug, whether it's like full branding, you know, everything from my logo to my words to my colors to my themes and all that kind of stuff. They basically hire people to do all this stuff for them. Okay, so let's talk about how much you can earn as a designer, why it's a good business, and what are the price points that you can potentially earn. Okay, so unfortunately they don't really show this on their website. It's quite hard to find this page, but if you just take a look at this right here, it's just designhill.com/freelance-graphic-design-jobs. Okay, so you want to write that down, and when you come here, you can apply to Designhill as a designer. Right, the first thing you want to do is you want to showcase your portfolio, so click on that, and then they would say, do you have an account? You want to sign up today, and you would click on I am a designer, I want to submit designs to customers. That's important, right? So once you've got to this page, you can basically fill out a few details and basically sign up as a designer. And once you sign up as a designer, you can take part in their competitions. All right, so Designhill is very well known for their competition. So the way it works is, so I'll come into the competition page. For example, let's just say this particular company wants a charitable organization logo design. What they'll do is they'll set up a job, and they'll say how much they're going to pay, and this pays out $249. All right, and then basically all of the designers working for Designhill will do the designs for this particular competition. Right, now the goal is, as a designer, for you to win as many competitions as possible, because the more competitions you win, the better designer you're going to be in their eyes, and you'll make more money. Okay, so the potential to earn, you're not going to earn all 249 if you win this competition, but you'll earn a pretty significant amount of that. Okay, same thing with this one. Look here, Happiness Hill Wedding Business needs a logo. $500 for a logo. That's pretty crazy, considering that there are a lot of other places, other freelance websites like Fiverr, for example, like Upwork, for example, where they only charge you maybe $10 or $20 or $30 for a logo. So to be paid $500 for a logo, these guys are basically, they're a premium design company. Okay, so you can see down here, martial arts logo design required for American martial arts, right? But the thing is that even though they do pay a lot of money when you win, okay, and there are second prizes as well, so $249. Actually, they do split up the prize money. Okay, so $250. There are 248 designs that you need to compete against. That's the only problem. So unless you are a very good designer and you don't mind taking parts in a lot of these competitions with the risk of not actually placing or making any money, then Designhill might be a good opportunity for you to make money on your designing. Okay, but just understand that this is the majority of how they make their money. They put all of their people into design competitions. Music logo design required. You can see 118 designs. It's pretty tricky, because I mean, to choose from 118 designs, even if you put 2 or 3 designs in yourself, the chances that you're going to win is quite slim, unless you're really, really awesome. All right, but if you are and you're very good at what you do, then Designhill is a very legitimate company, and you can make quite a lot of money compared to other methods of getting paid for your design work. All right, so that's Designhill in a nutshell. Okay, now they pay out to you once you get everything set up. They have a $50 threshold, so you must make at least $50 before they pay out to you. And they've been around for a long time, so I would recommend them if you're a good designer and you're willing to take part in design competitions on a regular basis. You got the time to do that, then it's pretty cool. All right, now if you're not so inclined to do that, there are other freelance websites, like I mentioned, like Fiverr, where you can actually create logo designs. For example, here, set up your own little store, okay, and basically charge people different rates. Not as high, but you can get to pretty high. I mean, this guy charges $80 for his logo. Some people charge more, some less, some more. You can see, look at this one, starting at $220. So obviously this person right here is a very, very high level designer. Base level 220, standard 280, and the premium package is 380. Okay, we can just take a quick look at some of their designs. So obviously a top designer right here, all right? But you can position yourself as a more expensive designer if you want. But it does take time to build up your reputation on websites like Fiverr and Upwork, but it's not impossible. Okay, it's very, very possible if you are in the design game. Okay, so that's Designhill in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you're here watching this video right now though, and you are looking for a way to make money on the internet, perhaps you are trying to get into design, maybe you're playing with the idea, you're not too sure whether you want to do it or not, you're just online looking for ways to make money online. I've done a lot of different types of things on the internet. I'm an internet entrepreneur, and for me, the quickest way to get to a full-time income, $5,000 to $10,000, is a very particular strategy that I like to implement, and I'm actually teaching you that in a very detailed training if you'd like to check it out for free. So I've got a free workshop you can check out. Just register for it in the comment section or description box below, and I'm going to reveal to you how I generated multiple six figures over the last 5 years and how I've shown thousands of people how to do this 100% online. So I'd love to see you there, and I hope you enjoyed this video of Designhill. Take care.